Hello, did you know I have a Gumroad page where I'm selling a bunch of filters? If not, check it out, links in the description. I also have a Patreon where you can get them at a discounted rate and support the channel. Thank you. Welcome to another show, I'm Sid, and this is going to be quite a short video, but as you can see, Spark AI just put out their newest update, version 105. It has four main features: the inclusion of LUTs in the AR library, which is something they've already released in a previous version and taken away as soon as they realized how buggy it was, so we'll see how long that lasts. TypeScript, which is related to JavaScript and coding. The face distortion template, which I haven't been able to locate myself, although there is a face distortion block. Not sure if that's what they mean or if that's been there the whole time. Either way, it's pretty cool and I'm probably going to make a video about it soon. And this, the final one, the one that's the most important and what's pushed me to make this video: undocking the simulator. Oh, by the way, this was an image the whole time. Who would have guessed, right? Anyway, let's open up a new blank project and I'll show you what that means. So as you can see here, we have our simulator, this preview of our device, and if you look up the top right, it now has this pop-out icon. So if you hit that, you can drag the simulator wherever you want on the screen. So it can be over here on the left, it can be over here on the right. You can still rotate it to be horizontal, and you can even change the device to something else. So we can have it be a Samsung Galaxy S9, rotate it back, and now it's kind of thin and weird. I like the iPhone though, so we'll go back to the iPhone 8, redock it, and it pops straight back into place again. Isn't that cool? I think it's cool. Probably something they should have added a while ago, but they didn't. They might take it away, so check it out quick before it's gone. That's the whole video. Hope you enjoyed it. Catch you in the next one. Peace.